can you guys please give from out loud and in order the Greek letters? It begins with alpha, beta, gamma, delta, epsilon, zeta, eta, theta, iota, kappa, lambda, mu, nu, xi.
Omicron.
That's not xi. I apologize. Wow. I just jumped ahead to the end. Sorry. Xi. What was you? Omicron. P. Rho.
Sigma.
How many?
2.
Right. What is that one called?
Final sigma.
The final sigma. Why is it called the final sigma?
End of the word.
Because it comes at the end of the word. So okay. So pi, rho, p, rho, sigma,
Tau.
tau,
Upsilon.
upsilon,
Phi.
phi. Right.
Key.
Key. There it is.
C.
C.
Omega.
Omega. All right.
Just
Sing it in your head. You guys want to sing
We
it?
all do.
When you get way down there, I have to stop and sing to know which one to.
Do you guys want to sing it? I guess not. We were talking in the last class when we were just doing this last session. We were talking about some of the nuanced stuff. Like if you remember with the gamma, there's certain rules with the gamma that if there's 2 gammas in a row, the first one is pronounced like an N, so it's not guga, it's ng, right? Also applies if this thing appears before a kappa or a key, because the g and the k sound are very similar to the way you make that in your mouth. So for the ease of pronunciation, and because they're lazy, they make the G sound like an N sound, and to be ng, unk, right? And not guch, because that's just terrible. So we talked about that, so we remember that. You guys are good on the final sigma. We did talk about key for a few moments, and I don't think I ever addressed this last semester. But the key, I think, historically speaking, is better pronounced like chi, okay? And it's very similar to, you guys don't know this, but that right there is a Hebrew letter. It's het. And so it's transliterated often like this, with like a dot underneath the H. So it's a sound. And but sometimes what they'll do is they'll change it to do this. That CH is not a ch, it's a sound. So that's why you'll see Hanukkah spelled that way. So it's Hanukkah, not Hanukkah. And so same thing over here. Like the book gives you the example of a CH as in like chemistry, right? It's a k sound. But some books will actually give you this as an example. Johann Sebastian Bach, right? That's the idea there. But because we're lazy, we're not going to do that. We're just going to go k, okay, right? But I just wanted to throw that out there because that probably, historically speaking, that was a h sound. So it wasn't Christos, it was Christos. So if you have a cold, by all means, go for it. But for now, we'll keep our phlegm to ourselves, and we'll be good.